Hi, Dennis here again. So we had lesson 3 yesterday, and today we're going to go on to lesson 4, which is still all about packages, because this whole course is about helping you to work out what packages you can put together, what you can offer, and how to collaborate and partner with people in your area, whether it's other homestays or whether it's the guy with the bird park or the ATV park or whatever else. So you're making it simple. You're putting yourself in the shoes of your visitors from overseas or from parts of Malaysia who don't know what you've got. They don't know anything about what's in your area. So you're helping them by sharing your local knowledge and packaging it up in a way that makes sense for them, for their time, for the amount of time they've got. And for you, it's very good because you control that then. So they're going to stay with you and they're going to follow what you've put down in your package. So you should have them there for longer. You should also be making more money. Everybody's very happy. Nothing more happy than a traveller who has got the experience that they're looking for. Thanks, and please start lesson 4 now. And there was a few examples there of flyers of packages, some from Peninsular Malaysia, others from other places. So please have a look at those. But what we hope from these lessons is at the end of them, you can do this type of package for your own homestay, and then we'd love to help you promote that. But let's get the packages together first. Please ask any questions, make any comments, offer any suggestions. We really, really want your feedback. It's been great having you here, and we're looking forward to lesson 4. Thanks, bye.